In the past, this place would get maybe a few thousand visitors every single year. Now, that number is more like 1.5 million, and it keeps growing.
This change didn't happen because of a big marketing push. It happened because of geotagged pictures like these. Digital popularity physically changes the landscape. This place, and other public lands like it, are trying to adjust. So, if geotagging is the problem, then geotagging is the solution. WWF presents I Protect Nature, a militant geotag to protect the environment, to give everyone the power to act. We've hijacked the Instagram feature and used geolocation to spread and support the message. It quickly began to trend on Instagram, where thousands of users shared their pictures, thus protecting nature. And the movement, launched on Instagram, was soon all over the news. I Protect Nature. Don't tag your geolocation, tag your engagement.